Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you a few little advanced features of the sales layout system. I'm going to show you how to add customer details, some more advanced ones, and even an image of that customer onto your sales screen. Some information you might want to see offhand straight away when you swipe their card or input their details. So if I log myself in now and go to sales mode, you'll notice these boxes here. All these boxes are blank. So what happens now if I, for example, swipe someone's details in? So if I go for this person here, go to accept, boom, there you go. All these details now pop up straight away on your screen. So you've got the full customer name, you've got how many points they've generated, what their email address is, what the phone number is, what particular groups they're also associated with, and also their image as well for security reasons that might be applicable for your business. Now that's a really good, useful tool just to make sure you've got their details, because obviously as long as you've got their email and mobile number, you can do a more advanced marketing to them as well. So I'll quickly show you how I've done this. So I'll go to exit sales and go to my sales layout, and I'll go to the template that I've done this on. So if I've done this on this one here, so as you can see, all I've literally done, I've created a button and then typed in these variables. So I've typed in ** customer's name **, all in capitals, as the display name of the actual button itself. So I've literally typed it into this section here, and then that obviously then pulls in that information and throws it onto the sales screen. Same with customer points, same with customer's email, same with customer contact phone 1. You can also put customer contact phone 2 as well. Also I've done customer groups as well, and the virtual picture as well. The picture is actually embedded into one of the features in here, so all that you need to do for that is create a button and then click on set special object right here, and you can click on customer picture there, and then that automatically throws that in there. Same with the customer name as well. Some of these extra variables haven't been added yet, but they will be added soon. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up that these are actually active now, so you can start using them now. Eventually they will pop up on this menu here as on a later date as well. So there you have it. So a nice, easy, quick, interesting way to hopefully make your system a lot more interesting, and also be able to collect as much data as possible. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. I'll check you out next time. See you now.